Good morning, guys. I just wanted to do a follow-up on how we harvest. So in our last video, we showed you how we did the downward migration, where we put the leftovers on the material with the worms on the screens and let them work down into the castings, so that when we re-sifted, we would have a clean set of worms. So here is our worms that I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, that we harvested and put back into the castings. We just take a scoop, we put it into the harvester, and we'll just keep doing that. Let the worms work their way down. In this first screen, the castings fall back out. The second screen, any bigger material or baby worms that aren't big enough to come down to the end will fall through here, and we'll collect those in a little bit. And then you get to the end, and then you just have clean worms falling out this end. As you can see, there's a little bit of material that that come through the screen when we did the downward migration. That's what that is on the right. And then on the left, you just really have pure worms. Now, we do let those sit for just a little bit under the light, because a little bit of that debris is still on them, and we want people to get clean worms. So we will finish working that off and then weigh the worms to sell. Hope this helps you guys understand how we harvest, and we'll be talking and making some more videos next time. Thanks, guys.